Good day, my name is John. Welcome to the Earn From Your Laptop YouTube channel. Here we talk about how you can make money online using a very simple method of affiliate marketing. And we cover everything when it comes to affiliate marketing, from a complete beginner to advanced topics, coming up with your profitable niche ideas to collecting the commissions through your website. And I'm personally here to help you every step of the way. Earn From Your Laptop channel started soon after I became a parent to our beautiful daughter. After decades stuck in the rat race, working in accounting and finance, I just knew there had to be a better way. I wanted to create a better future for our family, where I could spend those precious moments with our daughter as she is growing up, rather than away from home, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m, day in, day out for the 40+ year plan. So I spent a ton of time and energy to find the perfect business model to create the lifestyle where I can work from home, spend that precious time with family, and help you to do the same. Unfortunately, like most people, I was scammed a few times before I found something that actually worked. There is no greater feeling than waking up every morning to an email saying that you made money, and that's what I'm able to do almost every day. So if you want to make money online and achieve your ideal lifestyle, you need an income rather than just a job. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and then check out earnfromyourlaptop.com. There is a free step-by-step guide that will help you make money online and avoid the same mistakes that I did. So don't waste any more time. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any money-making tips that I drop on the channel. I'll see you all later.